of that airline food.
Okay, folks, this is a hijack.
Wake up! Wake up, please! We're going to die!
We're taking this plane to Cuba.
Oh, more goddamn commies are coming out of the woodwork.
We'll tie up everybody blind for them on this plane.
Tony, I'm worried about my son Tony. It's a fine time to go to the John.
Keep that mud quiet. All right, let's get the blindfolds. Anybody see me? Speak up, I can't hear you.
No! No!
All right, that's a good. You dope, you forgot to tie them up. They don't need to be tied up. I got them tied right here.
Oh, I'm so scared. Don't let go. I can tell you're frightened too. But you've got such strong hands.
That's why I like to fly on American planes. They don't allow dogs on the planes. Or chickens. Oh, God. Can you imagine flying with a chicken?
You know... Oh, you're wearing a fur coat, too. I think that's just so masculine. Oh, got a hangnail there. Better be careful.
There ain't nothing back there. What's the matter with you? Look, I can see. Cover me. What is that? Keep away from it, man! Put me down!